Right, Reese?
Too late. Yeah.
That's what he sounds like.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to play tonight. Anyway.
What?
I know, right?
Why did you stub your toe? Now you're in pain.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello?
Hello.
Keelan
Hey.
stubbed his toe, so he can't play.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
I got all that wax off.
What?
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah, it was actually really easy. I just used your credit card and it came all off.
I'll use my
You
credit card.
still
Nice.
store a candle in your computer.
No, I did. On a monitor.
That's nice.
It is. As nice as Kamala Harris.
Mm.
So, yeah. You got that thing downloading?
Yeah, it's still downloading.
Oh, goody, goody. Bang, bang, you're dead. Bullet in your head. Bang, bang, you're dead. Bullet in your head.
Don't mind that. I can fix something.
Mm-hmm. Trying to look for some good maps to play.
Alright. Oh, why did it not download? Alright, now it's downloading again. That was weird.
I hate when that happens.
Oh my god, my browser extension went back to Yahoo. I thought I got rid of it.
No!
What is hijacking my system?
I have no idea.
I can't find it. I got rid of all my extensions. That didn't do anything. Whatever. It's not the worst hijack.
They're
Just
probably
a
just
little
stealing your
annoying.
information, your credit card numbers, that's all.
No, I don't think it does that. Even if it did, I don't know how to fucking get rid of it. I've tried everything now.
I don't know.
Check installation programs. And let me check that then. Oh my god, this is so loud. Audio, music, all the way down. It's horrible. Right, hang on, I'll be in the game in a minute. Checking my extensions and settings.
I'm looking at maps.
Settings. Where's the apps? Okay, check install. Settings. Apps. I don't see apps. I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about.
Huh? I am. That's all. In the workshop.
Downloads.
I'm personally looking for them in the workshop. I don't know what you're doing.
No, not. No. I'm just talking to myself. Default browser. Hey, okay. Chrome is my default. Performance. Privacy and security. I physically have to go to my computer settings.
Oh no.
What is this? Okay.
Oh no.
What?
I found a terrible mod. Spawnable giant bees. Download.
Alright, what's I don't know, what is giving me this virus?
I don't know.
Alright, well, it's not that. Can't be CurseForge or Overwolf.
That is
Alright.
spyware. Dynamic rusting? That sounds terrible. Gonna have to add that.
Yeah, I'm gonna quit that. Alright, well, that's gone. I mean, could I do a scan on my PC and would it tell me?
It should.
Alright,
Use
how do
the
I do that
Microsoft
again?
on the, what do they call it nowadays? Windows
Is it-
security.
Is it in settings?
Yeah.
Privacy and security. I'm guessing Windows security. Yep, right here. Alright, apps and browser control. Maybe that's where I should go to. How do I
The
do a
open
scan? Virus and threat protection. Yes, I want it to do
yeah,
scans.
Windows security. Open Windows security. Virus and threat protection. Yeah. Do just one of them scans.
Alright.
If you do the more thorough one, it'll take like a couple hours. So
I'm just gonna do a quick scan.
yeah.
fucking damn hijackers.
Yeah.
Get out of my PC. It wasn't doing regular updates. I had to turn that on. I don't know why it was shut off.
Mm.
It's gonna take 2 minutes. It's all for the greater good, though.
Yes.
I need to get rubber bands for my rubber band gun so I can shoot people. What are you gonna do, Rook? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? He doesn't like it when you point guns at him. Watch if
I wonder why.
if I grab my AR. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna
Oh,
do?
I forgot the one in the chamber.
What are you gonna do? 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 What are you gonna do?
Don't shoot me, man.
What are you gonna do? Bonked your head on the barrel, you dummy. He tried to bite it.
It's stupid. It's stupid.
No current threats.
Hmm.
What do you mean no current threat? Then what is hijacking my fucking browser?
Is your default Yahoo?
No, it's Google.
So when you open a new tab, it goes to Google, not Yahoo?
Oh, that might be it. I think I have.
Because maybe whatever before set your default to Yahoo.
Well, they say like let me open this. No, I'm not. I'm not going fucking premium.
You want to go premium?
Well, I'm seeing if my like virus protection things are changing it from Google to Yahoo because they say your things do that sometimes.
Right.
I don't know. That's what it says. I don't know where that's at though. I don't know if I have McAfee on here.
McAfee is a devil. He was killed for having info on Hillary, though.
No, it doesn't look like it's on my PC. I don't think it is.
I think this is going to end up being like the new Gmod.
I don't have McAfee on my PC, so it can't be McAfee doing it. I have no idea what's doing it then.
I don't know.
Windows security. Said there was no threats found. Oh. I don't know then.
I don't know.
Neither do I. Why can't I open a new window? Oh, hopefully that fixed it. I mean, I tried everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I uninstalled Overwolf and whatnot since it's spyware.
I can't believe that's a map. Oh, that's great.
I mean, hopefully that fixed it. That's all I can think of. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
oh boy. So Keelan's not playing?
For whatever reason, no.
Oh, okay. Every time I grab that gun, my dog looks at me.
You know what'll happen if you get on my bad side.
Good?
Let's just say you'll become a hot dog.
Not in a good way either. Okay.
I know which one I want to play.
Oh, there's different characters?
Of course. Yeah.
Ah, good. Oh, I'm in your thing. I can see your mouse moving.
Yeah, I bet. I'm sure adding all these mods won't cause any problems at all.
Oh, I was doing my graphics. God damn it. Alright, and I gotta turn my graphics down. Render scale, that's fine. Motion blur disabled.
Yeah, I turned mine to the lowest resolution.
Vertical sync, every frame. Open GL, I don't care. Input, smoothing, turn, I don't know. Alright. Oh, that's better. Do we kill each other? Oh, yeah.
Does that answer your question?
Alright, respawn.
It should just do it.
Oh, it's not.
It'll do it.
Are you sure?
Maybe. Here, let me try on myself. Oh, weird. I don't take damage. I'm like invincible.
Yeah, I can't respawn.
That's weird. I guess I'll restart. Don't die, Reese. Don't die this time.
Alright.
Why'd you go and kill yourself last time?
I have no idea. Okay.
Now, if you see the man right over this way, you'll know what the objective is.
Mr. Beast! Oh, watch this.
Let's see it.
How do I control this thing? A and D to steer?
I think you tipped over.
Yeah, I don't know how to untip it.
You can grab with a right click.
Oh, can I? Oh, okay. Well, I'm not driving bikes in this game.
Oh, that's a fancy. Oh. Just killed the mic. Mr. Beast!
Right for the crotch.
No! You can get back, right?
I didn't hit a bomb.
Oh. It's a
How do I
lot
get back up there?
I don't know. I've never played this before.
Can you fly by chance?
No.
Oh, how do I get back up? Am I supposed to die? Well, that didn't kill me.
Oh. If I had a gravity gun, I could lift you up, but there wasn't a gravity gun mod for multiplayer. That car invincible? I'm gonna drive something into Mr. Beast. Oh, it's winter now, I guess.
How do I switch my sledgehammer?
Mouse wheel.
Oh.
There's a lot of tools. You notice that?
Alright, killed myself. Hopefully I respawn this time.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a button I have to press?
Not normally. That's slow.
What do you... yeah, I just won't respawn for some reason.
That's really weird. Oh, that sucks. I'm not using it.
Turn off respawn?
That's not a thing as far as I can tell.
Well, you can respawn.
Let's try a different map then. I don't know why that's happening. I wanted to kill Mr. Beast. I should have killed him
I'm
before I
Mr.
left.
Beast.
I don't know of anything that would do anything, to be honest.
Minecraft building tool.
Neighbor, hello?
Neighbor, hello, what?
Neighbor, hello?
You mean, hello, neighbor?
Neighbor, hello?
Oh, hello. Honey!
Hey, I'm in my...
Did I kill you?
Yeah?
Oh. Oh, let's see if I can respawn this time.
Surely. See?
Hey!
Why was that map
Finally
bugged?
respawns me.
Oh, that map was weird.
know.
Ow! You
That
can't kill
hurt?
me if I'm in that...
Oh, I guess that does hurt. You'll never know where I'm at.
I'm
The
pretty sure
shotgun
we're...
is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
What's this? Hey, let me look. I'm trying to look at stuff. I can launch you.
I launched the ion cannon. You want to see?
What's an ion cannon?
It works pretty well.
And where's that at?
I think our house is totaled. It's on the 6. Plasma
6?
ion cannon.
When I go
Yeah,
to
I think our house is totaled. What do
when I
you
press,
think?
how did I open up this Minecraft menu? How do I get rid of this?
Oh, Minecraft menu is just E.
Oh, there we go.
But you scroll past it. Yeah, the ion cannon's pretty effective. See? That's the laser gun.
Oh,
Plasma ion cannon's what it's called. It's red. It looks like nothing's in your hand, but it's actually... I just realized where that is. Hey, you want to see my plasma ion cannon?
and when I press 6, it opens up this Minecraft menu for me.
Well, you just scroll to it, to 6. Hey, look at my plasma ion cannon.
That thing is so dangerous.
It is, yeah. Juice?
Oh, that's a gun. What's that?
Nitroglycerin.
Nitroglycerin sucks.
This is my blunderbuss. Does it tickle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I want a blunderbuss.
It's the shotgun. Or hunting rifle, actually. They just retextured it in this map for some reason.
That's scary.
Yeah. No, that's a scary. My leaf blower.
What are these?
Oh, those are thrusters. You put them on like cars or something, it makes them go fly. You think that's drivable?
Yeah, it is. Let me put one on here.
It doesn't give me the prompt to drive. Oh, it does. Oh,
Alright, light them up.
oh, you're really low in that. It's also
Light
off
them
the
up.
ground. How do you light them up? Do you shoot them? Oh.
No, you press E.
This poor guy's house. You all right there, Reese's? I seem
Yeah,
to
I'm
be
a
in
little stuck.
a wall.
How do you spawn cars?
You can open up the spawnable stuff.
I? I'm pressing
Yeah.
I, nothing's happening.
Maybe I forgot you can't do it because you're not host.
Oh.
You want a car though?
Yeah.
Here, how about this one?
Perfect. Alright. Oh, where was that again? Rocket thruster. Vehicle thruster? What's the difference?
I don't know. Maybe it works with your ignition?
Oh, maybe.
Oh, that one's...
Don't worry.
That one's...
It's
It'll overpower. Oh,
it's to give me down boost, you know?
so you can go flying?
Alright.
Oh, yeah, it is. Boy, those things work pretty well.
Oh my god!
Our house is falling apart. Probably should have shot it with a
I'm
plasma
dead.
cannon. Oh, you got in a car accident?
Can you spawn another one? I can't go that way, it's a barrier.
There's a barrier for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, let me grab this one. It's a little bit on fire, but the fire went out, so... I'm sure it'll
Oh, is
still
that my
work.
old one? Will that still
Yeah.
work?
Of course. It still runs.
Alright. Oh,
I
there's
think-
barriers!
Oh, yeah, that's the world barrier. That thing's dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Man, we need a bigger map. I want to do thrusters.
Yeah, let's go to like a town or something.
Yeah.
Let's see. Russian town?
Multiplayer.
I'm sure this Russian town is great. It sounds like a place that would have more room.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so full of Chinese food.
Oh.
Oh, the Chinese.
Are you spawned in?
Almost. It's loading.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm in.
How do we get out? Probably here.
Shakin' Blakin'! Shut up!
Who left their music playing in this one?
I want this car. I'm gonna
You
take
want this piece of crap?
Yeah.
Shut up! Yeah, I made them shut off their radio. And this one I can sit in with you. I could have done the other one too, but I didn't think about it. Oh yeah, plenty of room for thrust.
And I gotta put some on the top.
Yeah,
If I
for
can get
downward.
to the top. Yeah, so we don't.
There is double jump, by the way.
Is there?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. It's so it doesn't take off.
Oh, it won't let me drive with you? Oh my. Oh.
You want to get in?
It won't let me get in with you.
Oh.
Let's just take this slow
Oh
station
my god!
wagon. Yeah, I need some parts for my car. It's broken. Yes, hello. Hello, is there anyone in here? I don't think they like me.
Oh my god!
Hey Reese, you want to try out this car that I got here? It's very safe.
Yeah, I'm coming. I just went through a house.
Oh, did you? Oh, that's cool. Alright, this one's very safe. Ignore the detonator in my hand, by the way.
Oh, this is fun. Logboard.
For real. Yeah, I got some remote explosives, see? That gives you a speed boost. It gives you a speed boost. It's for running. This is very safe. Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar car. The Deathy McSplody. Oh, you should have seen that. Oh my god. I just saw it looked like a real explosion, like everything flew up. Stuff.
And don't put bombs on that. I'm gonna see how many boosters I can put on this thing.
And bombs.
No, just boosters.
Just boosters. Put some of them the wrong way, but I'm sure that's fine. Don't worry, I'm adding boosters. I'm sure they'll work just fine. Flight.
Instantly incinerated. Oh yeah. And
Oh. That one you don't even need the boost hardly. It's pretty fast for a flight car.
No. We need boosters.
Right,
It's not fast enough.
Just gotta make a giant lion like me. Reese, you think this is starting to look like it'll fly pretty well?
Yeah. Oh, let me put some on these mirrors if I can.
Yeah.
Of course.
It's like a. I don't even know. As soon as you got in, though, all of them fired up. You hit the gas. Oh, you're gone. It's like a missile.
Oh my god, the car's still. I'm dead.
The car's still alive somehow.
Dude, that other one, man, just disintegrated as soon as I hit the acceleration button. It was just gone.
You gone, man. That thing gone.
This
Why
thing
can't
is.
I pick that up?
I'm gonna move it. Come on. Let me grab you.
You trying to recover that?
Yeah. I just can't pick it up.
Ah, I did that wrong.
Oh, the rain.
Is it lagging you? Gotta be a better solution for this.
Мы воруем нам сапог. А кто
Shut
не
up,
сидел,
Russian.
тот
He's dead now.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Alright. I'm dead. I killed myself.
Are you that suicidal?
I'm stuck. God damn it. Come on. I'm like getting stuck on shit.
You wanna see if my crane flies? I added a bunch of
Sure.
thrusters that are supposed to put me up. I don't know how well it works though. Oh my! The entire thing fires up. Back her up! Back her up!
I can't get this thing out.
I put a good amount of thrusters on the bottom of
Alright,
this.
let's see her fly.
Not as good as I was hoping, to be honest. They
Not
don't-
flying at all.
Oh good, now I can get underneath it. This is a fun death trap. Okay, let's see if I'm like Team Rocket now. Really, I'm not?
I wish I could get under this thing.
I know,
I
I
wish I could raise this car up.
Yeah.
Are there jacks?
No.
Oh,
You can
horrible.
kind of move some of the smaller cars, though, if you right-click on them. It doesn't work
Can
that
we?
well, though.
Here, try to get this chair under. I want to put rockets under this thing.
Oh no, it's already rusting. Maybe we can use this as
Wonder
a
if I can-
jack.
I wonder if I can make this pop a wheel.
Wait, you think it would work with thrusters on this one? On this chassis?
Oh, maybe.
Uh,
Can you drive this thing? No way. Oh my god.
I don't think the thrusters work. Garbage. Ow! You hit me!
Yeah, she has plenty of traction in the back.
Yeah. Wish I had the physics gun. Ah, man. I'm looking.
Or don't you?
I don't because I have the one that works for not multiplayer. That's a problem.
You gotta get the one for multiplayer.
What the? Back.
Yeah! Drift machine! Wheel or donut machine.
Okay, I found one that supposedly works.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the rain does not help.
Let's go back here and see if I can enable such thing. Do you want me to turn off the weather cycle too, since you seem to have a problem with the rain?
Yeah, makes my game kind of laggy.
Yeah. There it is.
Physics gun.
Oh yeah, now we'll be able to lift up cars and crap.
Yes.
This is my favorite place to go.
Is it big and open?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Definitely big and open.
Oh,
Hey, look
yeah.
at there's villagers. Where's the physics gun?
Am I crouching? Why do I feel so tiny?
Did not give us the physics gun.
You're so tiny.
Yeah, it's not a good skip.
What? This gun is so dangerous.
It is. Hey, you think I could scrap? Wait, what if we strapped explosives to villagers and have them walk them? The villager! Look at him! Bro, look at this villager. We strap bombs to him.
How is he still alive?
Oh my gosh, that gun is distracting. Oh, you're dead. Just like corpse go flying. Oh. Are you okay, Reese?
I'm dead.
Man, Minecraft looks a lot different than I remember.
It's so laggy. What's on me? Welcome to my house.
Oh yeah, it's really great in here.
Let me shut the door. Yeah, I put this chair. I got this new oven.
Yeah.
And nothing bad's gonna happen in here. We're safe.
Hey, what are you cooking in that oven of yours right there?
Bombs.
Oh. It's gone.
My house.
Wait, I don't even remember which one it was. Oh, it's this one right here with the door open.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have insurance for this, don't you?
Yeah.
That's good.
And I gotta. I'm gonna put a rocket on this guy. Hey, buddy.
Thrusters. No. Oh, don't worry, he's still alive. He's digging. He's digging. Put nitroglycerin on him, by the way. I think he's dead.
Did I put rockets on you?
No, I
what a shame.
wish.
Oh yeah. Hey, look at this cow.
Oh, there, let me go. Let me look. Oh, that's a cute little cow you got there. Oh, he's tilting his head like he likes you. He's flying. Are you okay, Mr. Cow? I don't think Mr. Cow's okay.
I don't think Mr. Cow's okay. He's gone. Mr. Cow is gone.
Mr. Cow, more like Mr. Crater.
Let's see if I can move that tree. I'm stuck.
You have to cut off the bottom of him to move him.
Oh. Oh, hey.
Now
Mr.
these villagers,
Villager.
on the other hand. Well, I was gonna shoot him, but he detonated anyways. Where's his skeleton gun? Timbuktu? I don't know.
Oh, this guy's nice and peaceful.
Huh? Wow. Oh! You're making him eat dirt.
Yeah. Eat that dirt, boy.
It's for offering me 4 diamonds for 1 emerald. No, he blows up, right?
No way.
Oh,
Oh,
here,
no.
Let me fix that. Banana!
He gone. There better not be no villages hiding in here.
No, yeah, you want to use the ladder? Those don't work. This isn't real Minecraft. You just got parkour up. I like how everything's not to scale, too.
Yeah.
Like, slightly smaller. Oh, how's Mr. Cow doing? Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Oh, Mr.
Oh my
Cow's
God, his
head
head!
flew off. Oh my, it's like a firework.
It's gone.
I don't think that cow is okay, man. I mean, look at, he's got all that dynamite strapped to him.
Oh, hey, you want out?
You want some nitroglycerin? What, is that not good enough nitroglycerin for you?
Fine, let's give him some more rockets, too.
Yeah. You okay, Mr. Villager? Is that dynamite?
Oh, I don't think this guy's okay.
Yeah, I don't think so. He doesn't have arms. Okay, let's try to lift him up. He's stuck in this hole, you know. Here, I'll help you, Mr. Villager.
Here's the,
He's just digging.
where's the physics gun?
Yeah, it didn't like give it to us for some reason.
Oh.
Yeah, it says it's enabled though.
Oh, this game is amazing.
It is. Oh, what have I? Oh, never mind.
What is that? You like jazz?
It's like a Resident Evil boss fight. Oh, you won't take me alive.
You like
I'll kill this demon. Bet your computer's feeling just fine from that. Because mine isn't.
the lag. I saw your dead body just fly up.
Oh, you want a totally different map? Because this one's super laggy. Oh. Why physics gun no work? I don't know. Maybe it'll work this time?
Hopefully.
That appetite's suppressed. If I jump high.
Top of the morning, boys. I'm gonna get up this early. I might as well play a round of golf. Am I right? Nah, y'all can't hear me.
Wait a minute. Oh no.
Oh no, what's going on?
Are you loading in, Reese?
Yeah, it's loading. Loading. Loading.
Loading.
Loading.
Loading.
Loading. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute.
You know what I
Sorry,
need?
guys.
Oh my god. My car! I spawned in a car, you blew it up. thought we could go for a ride in here before we get
I mean, we
ignited.
can still going. I mean, we can still go for a ride, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
That is as hard as a brick wall might be, huh?
Well, you
Yeah,
gotta
that
put
works.
rockets on this thing if you want to go through walls.
That's true. That's true. My
Hang on.
pause. I get the vehicle thrusters on here.
That should. More.
That should be good, right? Now that I'm almost dead from the fire. Oh my! These walls, man, they're tough. See? And it jerks to the left too, which makes it even funner. And I think it just destroyed a lot of our thrusters. I think this thing's pinned now. Oh, we didn't need it anyways.
Yeah.
Boy, these are tough walls. What is this? The dark? It's just like a
Kenny?
dark room. Oh my gosh, it's lagged so bad.
I opened it up.
Oh, good. We'll find a way out of here for sure. I got my AR. ARs do
Oh,
nothing
I
to
opened
this.
up enough. Man, I gotta open it up a little more.
Hold on. Wait, don't. Walls are harder than steel. It's so tough. I feel like the walls in the back would be flimsier. I'm just saying.
Yeah. Alright, I think that should be opened enough.
Yeah.
Oh, the fire is slowly roasting me.
I hate when that happens.
Hey.
You got your peanut cannon.
Yeah.
Big lag when you do that.
What?
I'm dead. I'm dead. That thing is dangerous, and it lags the entire game every time you shoot it.
It's amazing. I love it. It's my favorite gun.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh,
Back
you need a new car.
Fire
let's see.
rooms.
Let's see.
Oh my god, the lag.
Here, you think this is a good one to drive?
If I can even get in it.
All right, let's see your driving skills, Reese's monkey.
I'm not driving. You are.
Why am I driving? Yeah, you're not allowed to drive. I can't steer this either.
I can't see anything. The lag.
Oh, you're driving this way.
I have no idea what's going on. Something's loading.
You're crashing into a wall over and over.
Oh my god, the lag is so bad.
Having a lagging guy behind the wheel is probably not the smartest idea, but oh well.
Oh my god.
This game's,
I can't drive.
this game is so unoptimized.
Yeah, it is.
Really, even the hunting rifle barely pierces it. Has like a small little pinhole.
Don't worry, watch that.
Oh, your hammer works good on it? That's bull.
What's that?
We'll find out once I turn it on. Hey, you want me to crash your computer?
Yeah.
All I see is fire. Oh,
Yeah.
hey, now it looks like clay.
Oh boy.
And it didn't even break through it as much as I thought it would.
Oh my god, this is horrible.
You want to go to a map that's not laggy?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see
Wait,
here.
what time is it?
Ooh.
I might actually get off so I can go take a shower.
Oh, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah.